Hi, welcome to another demo video of Simplify. This time we'll be doing some predictions using Strava activities. So if you have used Strava before, it helps you track of how many of your run performance and bike rides. And something else you can do with Strava is export all those activities to Excel and then just process them there. So in this case, we'll be using those Excel files to make a prediction on how fast I will be running my 10K next weekend. So getting started, I already uploaded the exported activities from Strava to this spreadsheet. So this is kind of the raw inputs. The actual file has more columns. I just deleted all the columns that I don't need. I also deleted the time because I want to predict the speed. So to do this, I calculated the output speed, just dividing the distance by the time, and then deleting the time and replacing it with the output speed. This way, the model will learn to predict, given a distance, a type of activity, and the date. It will try to predict how fast I will be accomplishing this distance. Uh, so I also created another two sheets. One is processed and the other result. Processed, I always encourage to do because there are some data transformations you always need to do before getting to a result. And processed is always the data sheet that I download for training. So in this time, the only transformation I did is change the date to date value. So this is basically just using this formula called date value, which converts as date, which is a text, to an actual value. This is easier for the model to process because you can see here that the numbers increase daily, and that makes just a lot more sense to the model. I also copied over, I just repeated the data many times to have more training data. And I downloaded it, I just went here and downloaded it as a comma separated value. So once you have that file, then you can start training. If you go to simplify.mx colon 8012, you can just start a demo and supply the file. In my case, is this Strava performance predictions processed second version. So you start the upload, and then you see it parses all the columns. INT means number, and STR means text. This comes from programming languages, but don't pay too much attention. So now you can click on start the model, and so it will train a model for about 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and it'll give you a model, and the model name looks something like this. Once you have the model name, you can just run the prediction using equals predict. You give it the data range and then just the model name, and then you see it can predict. For example, the bike rides, it predicts a way higher speed than for just running. And this is the actual values, so you can compare directly. I mean, it seems zero doesn't work, but other values are closer. Be aware that this is only a beta version, and models can be pretty not well trained. So if you need any like better models, be sure to contact us. Also, to get access to this predict function, you just go to get add-ons, search for Simplify, then just install this. And once you install this add-on, then you get access to the predict function. Hope this is useful, and look forward to seeing you in the next demo video.